Hey, morning everybody. So hope you're well. Start of the day today. It's just gone 6 a.m. Ready to go through the markets. Got myself up and ready. Before I start, my morning routine is, I like to just go get a little bit of exercise in, do a quick meditation, and then I'm on my screen, basically looking at the charts. So yesterday was quite an interesting day. Was again fairly choppy for most of it, but sort of staying patient in the end really paid off. I managed to catch the Euro CAD and Dollar CAD down, which ended up giving me a really nice return for the day. But before that, it was pretty much like the previous day. Got chopped up a little bit. It was going to end up small down on the day, but in the end, just keep hunting for those trades, and then one of them will pay out. Okay, so it's just having that belief to keep going, keep learning, and keep pushing for the ideal trade. Okay, so happened to be that those trades were very, very profitable in the end. But the key thing here, guys, is risk management. So because if you're taking a lot of trades as a day trader, or even if you're not taking a huge amount of trades, protecting your capital is the key to staying in this game. I know we are kind of all, let's make money right now. You're looking at the stuff right now, and it's kind of like a culture where we want things immediately. But trading doesn't work like that. And if you push it, if you don't listen to what the market is telling you, ultimately, you're not gonna be profitable. So if you're risking too much, eventually, you're going to run out of capital. Okay, because nobody can sustain that, and it's also psychologically very difficult to sustain, because if you're losing, let's say 10% of your account on a trade, well, it's a big blow, and it's only one trade. So it's like you just got to give yourself the opportunity to stay in the game. And sometimes people kind of lack the motivation because they don't have enough capital. Well, what I would say to that is, when I started out, I started on a tiny account. I was trading in my parents' house, and I kind of used that and went and saw investment. So basically, I used my track record, and then when I ended up working for a prop house, didn't have to pay rent fees, and then they funded me, and that's how I kind of started my career. Okay, before I then went into the banks and so on. So that was early on, so I got that a little bit of experience doing that. But nowadays it's so much easier to actually attain capital that you could even start with a small account, build a track record up, and then go look for an investor. Okay, and we can help you with that also. But also, like, if you were ready right now, there's investors available where you could just simply pass an assessment, and we assess your trading skills, and if you do well, then essentially we fund you, and then there's opportunities to get more and more funding if you're good. We've had people go from a 10 grand account up to 200,000-300,000 in not such a big period of time. So there is an opportunity there to be able to trade other people's money. So if you have the skill set, use it, build the track record up. But even if you don't want to build the track record up right now, if you think you can pass, contact me. Take the assessment, and if you're good enough, we'll give you capital to trade. Okay, and obviously it's a split between us and you, but essentially you're trading then with no risk of your own capital. Okay, guys. So, guys, if there's anything that you want to ask me, private message me. Send me a question. I'm doing these videos pretty much daily, Monday to Friday. So, if there's any questions that come up, feel free to send me that message, and I'll be able, if it's a good question, I'll shoot you a video during the week. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good trading to you all. Take care. Bye-bye.